Are you feeling broke? Frustrated? Maybe even a little bit cursed? I'm going to tell you something that might sound harsh, but it's the absolute truth. You're not broke because you're unlucky. You're not broke because the universe hates you. You're broke because you've been programmed. Programmed to think small, programmed to fear risk, programmed to just settle for what you're given. And until you rewrite that program, your bank account is going to stay exactly where it is. Think about it. From the moment we were kids, we would have had this invisible script. We had things like, money is hard to earn, rich people are greedy, or the classic, be realistic, don't dream too big. That wasn't just advice, it was programming. And now, almost every financial decision you make, every choice about your career, every thought about your potential is filtered through that hidden script. The universe isn't responding to what you want. It's reflecting your dominant belief system. This keeps most people trapped in survival mode. The goal is just to pay the bills, avoid any kind of risk, and stay safe. But wealth, true financial freedom, isn't built in survival mode. It's built in creation mode. That's where you're investing, building, taking calculated risks, and thinking long-term. If your mind is programmed for survival, you will automatically, unconsciously reject the very opportunities that could set you free. This is exactly why manifestation can feel so fake for so many people. You do the affirmations, you visualize the money pouring in. You repeat, I am abundant. But deep down, there's that little voice whispering, this won't work, or this isn't for people like me. That internal conflict cancels everything out. Your subconscious mind always wins, and the universe responds to what you truly, deeply believe, not what you say for 5 minutes a day. So, how do we fix this? Here's the shift. Stop asking, how do I make more money? That's the wrong question. Start asking, what belief is keeping me at this financial level? Get really honest with yourself. Maybe the belief is, I'm not smart enough, or I don't deserve wealth, or I'm just someone who always struggles. Once you identify that limiting belief, you can finally challenge it and replace it. Wealth isn't about what you do, it's about who you are. It starts with your identity. You need to install a new financial identity. Start acting like the person you want to become. Someone who invests in new skills. Someone who thinks long-term, not just about the next paycheck. Someone who moves with confidence, makes decisions quickly, and sees opportunities everywhere. Your brain literally rewires itself based on your repeated behavior. And as you change your identity, your reality has no choice but to adapt. Listen, you are not stuck. You are just programmed, and then the program can be rewritten. The moment you stop blaming luck or the economy and start upgrading your own internal beliefs, your financial reality will begin to shift. Reprogram your mind, rebuild your identity, and then just watch as your income follows. Thanks for watching, and if this resonated with you, make sure to subscribe for more.